Well, we're going to have lower humidity, that's for certain. A weak cold front's going to come through a little bit later this evening, and you're going to notice it's going to feel a whole lot better, and we're going to have that sunshine move back in. We do have a couple of light showers moving through portions of Arkansas, and as you take a look to our west, it's really nothing to worry with, just a couple of light showers, maybe some drizzle, and some of that will push into portions of the northwestern delta. We'll have some cloud cover, but later this afternoon, generally going to be relatively sunny. As for temperatures, it's another mild and muggy start, kind of what we've been dealing with all week long. 77 in Greenville, 75-degree dew point reading. Same for Greenwood. And again, there's not a lot of variation going on. Everyone's warm and muggy from Vicksburg to Oxford all the way into Arkansas this morning. So again, a lot of humid air in place, but again, that is going to change. Not today necessarily, but later this evening, because it's still going to be pretty hot and humid. Temperatures in the 90s, those heat index values possibly reaching, as high as 100 degrees, maybe a little bit more than that later on. And as we go through the evening, start to notice these showers developing and those winds shifting from the north. And that means we're going to be dealing with some drier air, potentially a shower later this afternoon, but for the most part, it's going to stay dry. And as that drier air filters in behind that front, we're looking at rain chances near zero for your Labor Day weekend forecast. And then heading into next week, we'll gradually see that return of moisture. But again, it's going to be a great forecast for your weekend. But we have been talking about a potential cold front coming through as we head into the middle of next week. Well, that looks a little more uncertain, about a 40% chance of being below average in the temperature department heading into next week. But, this front, the models are having a hard time picking up exactly what it's going to do. There's a couple upper level features that are, we're really just waiting to see how it pans out. But is looking like it could potentially sneak into the delta. Now, it's not going to move too far to the east, but it does look like heading into Thursday and Friday, we could get some cooler weather here. Now, this is just one model run. This is actually the GFS. There are several different models we look at to determine the forecast, but as we head into potentially Friday and Saturday, we're looking at much cooler weather if the front passes through. Now, if the front gets hung up and stalls out to our west, we're going to continue to see this warm, muggy air build back in for at least the next week and to week and a half. But again, if that front moves to our east, we're going to look at nice, refreshing fall-like temperatures. So we'll continue to keep you updated as the models get a better handle on exactly what's going to happen. But for today, we're going to keep that humidity around. Temperature's going to be around 92, partly cloudy with a few spotty showers possible. And by tonight, you'll start to notice that cooler, drier air moving in, and it is going to be much less humid, especially heading through tomorrow. And for your Labor Day weekend forecast, we're giving you something to dance about because we're looking at plenty of sunshine, low humidity. And check out that low temperature on Saturday, 62 degrees. So it's actually going to be pretty cool, especially as you wake up each morning. And then going into Labor Day itself, we're looking at plenty of sunshine and temperatures in the 90s. And again, those dew points tomorrow, look at that. 50s, maybe even low 50s as we head into the afternoon and evening. Much drier air moving in all the way down to the I-20 corridor. And just to keep in mind, we've had dew points in the mid-70s the entire week. So this is going to be very refreshing. Just a great weekend setting up for your Labor Day festivities. Plenty of sunshine, low humidity, rain chances gradually going to return by the end of next week. That's it for your weather. Back to you, Bryce.